So top down, cleaning the kitchen, I would recommend actually starting in the closet first. So you go around all the edges here, shelf, 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 baseboards, door molding, get the door, get the floor, and then come out into the kitchen. Same thing. Hit all any cobwebs around here. You work your way down through the cabinets. Open up the cabinets. Every shelf has to be wiped with a soapy towel. So soap and a towel, nothing fancy. You do your backsplash. You do your cabinets, oven, other cabinets. Normally there's a refrigerator here. And then here we have an island. Same thing. You do the countertop, the switches, the sink, faucets, under the island here, bottom. And then you do your dishwasher. We got videos and all that. Make sure you go around the whole thing. Wipe all of that, whatever needs to be done.